Welcome to another video. We are currently walking at the side of the road, so if you hear lots of cars, that's why. We are currently in Båstad, Sweden, because there's this little Swedish tradition called Midsummer, which we're celebrating today. Okay, I know it's been like 2 seconds of the video, but I just need to say that this video might be a little bit chaotic, but hopefully editing me can make it a little less chaotic. But I will put the timestamps up right here, right now, so that you know what's going on in this video. And if there's anything specific that you're looking for, you can find it right here, like how to make a flower crown, what games are played at Midsummer, etc. And in this video I do try to explain what happens on Midsummer, like what stuff do you do, what you eat, what different games are there, and all of that. So hopefully I explained that well, but at the same time this is also just kind of a vlog of my Midsummer this year, so it's also just me being with my friends and not thinking too much, I guess. Talking about friends, let me quickly introduce you to them all. So there's Alice and Agnes, the twins. Then we have Elin, Ida, Lynn, and Amanda. So you will be seeing them throughout this video, and now you know all of their names, so you know a little bit who is who and stuff. But anyways, let's keep going. This is like all my Swedish friends, and basically for Midsummer you need to do a little bit of prep before the actual day. So Midsummer is on the 21st of June. Today we are the 21st of June, and we have done a little bit of prep. For example, Agnes and Lynn this morning, they made a beautiful cake with lots of strawberries and like whipped cream and stuff. We are currently picking flowers. We did already start a little bit on that yesterday too. We're gonna make these like flower crowns. I don't know all the words for everything that we're gonna be doing today in English, but I will try my best to, like, in the editing part of this, make it make sense. So that's why I have some scissors right now. We're on the side of the road. We're picking flowers. All the flowers that we have accumulated so far. These are all actually from yesterday, and then these are all the ones we picked up now. Try to get some greens too, so that we have some stuff to fill it up with, so all the flowers can be like on the outside. I've actually never done a blomkrans, flower crown, I guess it's called. So I'm so excited. I have celebrated Midsummer a lot of times before. If you don't know, I'm Swedish, but I've like never really lived in Sweden until now, like last 3 years, because I studied in Sweden, but I've been in like a Swedish school my whole life. So like there's lots of Swedish traditions that I do, but not always like to the same extent as like the Swedes in Sweden do. So I'm so excited about this. Also yesterday we celebrated Alice and Agnes' birthday, or like a little late, so that was super fun too. We've had cake twice already, and today we're having cake again. So many cakes. Scissors. Also, Alice used to be my roommate. I haven't seen her in so long, and when she came to pick me up at the airport, we realized that we both had the exact same nails, like exact same color, and low-key the shape is so similar too. Connected.
So now I'm going to describe how you're supposed to do a Midsummer crown. You start by cutting your wire, so it's like double, and also like make sure that it's your length of your head, or circumference of your head, and then you prepare your wire so you can like wrap the flowers. There we have the first part, other one. Now you have the base of your crown. You can go like this, and then you make these like little bouquets of flower. And then you place them, then latch it on to the little branch wire, and maybe do 3 times to be secure. And then you take your next one, wrap it again around twice, and then you do that all the way until you're finished.
Yay! But everybody is telling me that there's like lots of different ways to do it, so that's one way to do it, but like everybody at this table is doing different stuff, so be creative.
Summer green and summer trees, speed always scared me. Blue breeze to the backseat, fell asleep right next to me. Memories come twist and bend, like the hills that came and went. Patterns pass on the wheel.
Just got changed into my little dress for the day. It's a pink cute dress and everybody's getting ready, but in the meantime, whilst they're getting ready, me and Alice, I think we're gonna set up the table and set up some decorations. So as you can see, there's a lot of Swedish flags and stuff going on, and we're thinking of decorating maybe like the bushes or something, because our table is here that we're gonna eat on. So we're gonna try and do something good.
With the sun, summer lines and summer skin.
I feel so Swedish right now.
Talk and think, cool glass in my hand, warm heart in my chest.
This is what the food end up looking like. Yes, yes, yum, yum. Also, we have some on the table. Literally, we baked this one yesterday, I think, or the day before. So good. This is our little program. So we have the menu with all the food and what we're gonna eat later at like 4-ish, drinks. And then a tradition is to also have these little songs that you sing and then you drink to them. So this is so cute. This is all Agnes' work. So thank you.
I love little.
Du hoppar lalalala. Okay, here are our little outfits of the day. I'll start with mine. This dress is actually from like a random outlet in the US, so I can't really say more than that. But this is my outfit, and then some flip-flops. Next.
Well, my top is from H&M and my skirt is from Primark.
Mine is from Mango, I think.
My skirt is from Zara and my top is from Tricot.
My dress is from Bubble Room and I don't remember where I bought my shoes.
My dress is from Tricot and my shoes is from Adidas.
My dress is from a second-hand store in Kolding, and that's all I wear.
Okay, next activity on the agenda, we're gonna be playing kubb. Now Elin is gonna explain for us how you play kubb, so if you ever wanna do that, you'll know how. Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna be 2 teams. King is in the middle.
Right there.
We have soldiers for the other team is over there, and the soldiers for our team, which is
Our team right here.
over here. Just making that clear. So both teams have sticks that we're going to throw at each other, so we're going to try to knock the soldiers down. And when all of the opposite team's soldiers are down, that's when you're going to try to hit the king. And
In the middle.
The first one to get the king down wins. But if you accidentally knock the king down before all of the other opposite team soldiers are down, you have accidentally lost.
Exactly. So basically, our team, we're standing here behind our soldiers, and we'll throw these little wooden pieces to the other side. Basically, we're throwing those wooden pieces and we're trying to get those soldiers down, and when all of them are down, we need to throw the king down, and that's how you win the game. So it's literally that easy, and it's such a fun game, and Midsummer is also all about just playing different games and stuff. So this is one of the games we'll be playing, but lots more is coming. We literally just started, and guess who took down the king? So our whole team lost.
Yes.
Shameful, embarrassing. What? Guys, how did the game go?
We lost
Again.
time.
Yeah.
They had other rules than we have. Yeah. That's why.
Low-key cheating. Taste test. Ja, festa, ta det lugnt med spriten. Först när vi tar oss upp, efter det så kommer vi missar festen. Men vad gör vi? There are basically so many games that you can play at Midsummer. There's also, like, for example, different races you can do. For example, jumping in a potato sack and racing. Or, for example, running but with a spoon, and on your spoon you have an egg. Like, so many different fun games to do. And as you saw, there were quite a lot of, like, different drinking songs. They're called snapsvisor in Swedish. And basically, like, definitely a lot of people do drink quite a lot, but, you know, be careful with that. I'm speaking to everybody that is above drinking age right now, okay? Let's make that clear. But yeah, so I did not film anything more than that, but I just had such a good weekend. I love hanging out with my friends. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog slash, I guess, like, tutorial on what Midsummer is and how to do it and stuff. I hope you enjoyed, and with that said, I hope to see you in another video. Bye!